Eli and Danielle purchased their 1,700 square foot home 5 years ago before starting their family.
We have a 2-year-old daughter, Anna Camden, and twin boys that are 5 weeks old, Hayden and Grayson. When we first bought this house, it was in bad shape, but I knew with my design background and Eli's skills working with his hands that we could fix it cosmetically.
I put a lot of work into this house. I want to keep it in the family.
We don't have any space, and the house just isn't functional.
We're just growing out of it a little, and hopefully a renovation will fix that.
We have to go find a bigger, already upgraded house. We have to.
I love our location, our yard, the little bit of work. We can have everything we need.
I understand that the yard and deck is large. I wish that our house was just as large.
I think we have plenty of room to grow as a family.
Where's the room?
We're in it.
We live on a busy road, and it's only going to get busier with the new school construction.
This is a sign for us to do construction in here.
It's a sign for us to leave so that our children can sleep. Listen, it's not a house that's being built, it's a high school.
It'll be great because they can walk right to school. We don't even have to buy them a car when they turn 16.
But Anna Camden's only 2. The kitchen is way too small. I feel so claustrophobic.
I think we could knock down some walls and get a little more of an open concept in here.
The cabinets are out of date. The countertops are laminate.
A little bit of upgrading, we can make it all work.
Wouldn't you love an open floor plan where you could see the kids?
It would be nice, but it's not a must-have for me.
Do you want me to stay in this house?
Yes.
Then it should be a must-have for you.
All right.
We don't have a playroom. Toys are here, there, and everywhere. We have the twins upstairs, Anna Camden downstairs.
I realize that doesn't work right now, but I think when she's older, she would enjoy being downstairs by herself.
Well, I'm glad you're planning for the future, but the future's not now. The laundry is located right next to the nursery. Can't have the dryer going on during nap time. We really need our laundry on the first floor. With Eli working outside, he brings in muddy boots.
We can put a mudroom in this house with no problem.
Car seats, coats, diaper bags, and it's right in my home office. It's a desk by the front door, which also acts as a changing table.
I'm sure we can find your own space with a desk and some privacy.
Yeah, privacy is a must. Our master bedroom is not private. There's no door.
We are staying in this house. It's our first home and our only home.
This house does not work for our family anymore. We are out of here. I'm so done.
Eli, seeing as you want to stay, I need your must-have list to get you out of this house and into a new one.
The only way I could really consider leaving is with a few things. I need an open concept kitchen and living room, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a home office for Danielle, a playroom for the kids so they don't ruin our whole house.
No, you need a bonus space.
Yeah, and a large private lot.
What is the budget?
The budget is $325,000.
All right, listen, I'm gonna do my best.
Okay, so, Danielle, let me hear your list of what you want me to do that might convince you to stay put.
No, it's a long one. We need to renovate and enlarge the kitchen, create a private master bedroom, improve the master bathroom, create a mudroom / laundry room, create a playroom. And I need an office for myself.
What's my budget?
Our budget is $115,000.
I know you think that it's impossible, and I know that also you don't want to do the work.
Right.
But A, I don't think it's impossible. Fresh eyes. B, I do want to do the work. And I think that when I'm done, you're going to love it.
All right, we'll see, but I have my faith in David.
Thank you very much. And when I find that perfect house that's gonna suit your family, the only thing to say about this one is list it.
What a tiny little kitchen.
Step 1, this has to be enlarged. And the way I'm going to do it is to break through this wall right here. I'm going to take enough space out of that room to be able to give her a nice big island in here and a good-sized kitchen.
So we're putting on an extension outside, a new mudroom, a new laundry room, a new kitchen. What's the budget here?
$115,000.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, and new floors everywhere.
Don't add too much.
All right, so, master bedroom with
Nice
no door.
size. Oh, there's no door.
You didn't realize, did you?
No.
Either did I. I am going to create a doorway in, but I'm going to do it right here. So I'm going to bring the wall here. I'm going to reduce the size of the master bedroom, so you'll come in here. And that allows me to work on other spaces,
Yeah,
like
sure.
the master bathroom. Take a look in there.
All right.
It's not horrible, but, you know, I'm not going to spend a lot of money in there. I'm just going to update it.
What's next?
You're feeling pretty good, aren't you?
I feel great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Because there's something really serious we're going to do next. Right now, this is set up as a nursery. Now imagine no roof line and 2 dormers. Ta-da! That gives me 2 wonderful big bedrooms, plus another bathroom.
Did you happen to take a look at the roof lines that were outside?
Yeah, they're a little bit quirky, I know.
A little quirky.
Meanwhile, David takes Eli and Danielle all over town looking for a house that has the design and space Danielle craves with the location and lot Eli needs.
All right, what do you think?
I would like it to be a little bit more open concept, if possible.
And I would really prefer a larger lot.
There's not a place for my office. There's only 3 bedrooms.
They're big bedrooms.
Yeah, but there's still only 3.
You know I'm juggling a lot, right?
I do.
Between location, the yard, the house, the price.
Something's got to give.
Yes.
All
So
right.
what's it gonna be? So I want to point out that this is a corner property, but that's a dead-end road, so nobody's driving down there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Come on in.
It's big.
You've got a formal dining room area. And then you have the open concept, the eat-in kitchen, family room combination.
I like it. It's open.
This could never happen in our house.
Yeah.
Let's head outside and look at the backyard. It's a pretty big backyard. The nice thing is that you back onto 25 acres of forest that will never be touched.
Oh.
So that gives Eli the privacy that he desires and the backyard for the kids.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's fantastic. Let's keep going.
All right.
What do you think this is, Danielle?
This is my office.
It is.
I love it. I love the windows.
Bedroom number 1 of 4 on this level.
Oh, wow.
So all your kids are gonna have their own bedrooms.
Yeah. Their own bathroom?
Yes.
Oh my God. This is a house that we could grow into, for sure. This is awesome. This
Absolutely.
is a great space.
Yeah, this is gonna be a lot different than what Hilary's gonna give us, for sure.
Master bedroom.
Oh. Wow. And quite the master it is.
It's definitely nice.
This is great.
Over
All
here.
right, you know I'm all about the master bath.
Master bath.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is ideal. Oh my goodness, the closet. Oh my gosh. This is bigger than a whole bedroom, this whole setup. This is like,
We could put a kid in here.
seriously, this is another
You
bedroom.
have another kid? There you go. There's their
bedroom.
bedroom. What do you think this house is listed at?
$365,000.
What do you think?
$355,000.
This house is listed at $340,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The wall color. Oh my God, the fireplace. I'm excited about everything. Oh my
It looks great.
goodness.
I
This
told you to
looks
wait.
awesome.
I told you to wait for it. And it all looks spaced out great and more open.
So now you're going to talk about where you're going to prepare the food, and I think you're the chef, right?
Yep.
Oh my God.
It's crazy.
Oh.
This is what you needed to make your main floor function.
Yeah.
You have storage galore.
This is
It's pretty
so
amazing.
awesome.
Danielle, this is your office.
I mean, it's awesome.
What do you think about this wallpaper?
I was hoping for some funky element, so this is awesome. So
All
far,
right,
so
let's
good.
keep going.
Okay.
Let's talk about the children first and go and look at their rooms.
Okay.
Right.
All right?
Wow.
Let's start with Anna.
Oh
It's
my goodness.
crazy.
This is adorable.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I love it.
How do you like the wall color?
I love it. I love the muted. This is so in right now. I think we're still kind of in shock because this is a dramatic change.
When you change the roof line like this, you've opened up all the opportunities to expand without actually building an extension.
Exactly. So
All
we get
right.
to see the boys?
Let's go into the boys' room, yes.
Oh,
It's
wow.
great. I just can't believe this much space came up here.
You've got your changing table and all of the paraphernalia right there where you need it.
This is phenomenal.
We're going to go and look between the 2 rooms now at that door.
Right.
Wow.
Bathroom.
This is
Yeah.
gorgeous. Wow, this is awesome.
And if you take a look at that tub, it is super big. You could actually have all 3 of them in there at the same time for bathroom.
Wow.
There's only one door left, the mystery door. Let's go take a look.
All right. Oh,
It's a nice laundry
my
room.
goodness. Wow.
I don't know how this space got
I don't
here.
know how this happened, but it did, and I'm in love.
Changing out this roof line was the key to everything.
All the kids are upstairs too. I mean, it's so convenient for the laundry room to be right here.
You're checking the boxes so far. Oh, this is too much. I love the headboard.
You have a door.
I have a door. Wow.
Yeah.
You used to have a closet in here.
Yes.
You gave that up. You had to find a space somewhere for some of your
see it.
clothes.
Oh.
I didn't even promise you this closet because I knew you could have it.
This is huge. Every corner of this house is being utilized. All right, let's check this out.
Let's see.
If I could have picked tile, colors, this would be it. It's clean, simple, sophisticated.
Big soaker tub.
This is a sanctuary if I've ever seen one.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know what David showed you, and I'm sure it's fabulous too. You're going to have a really tough decision, I think. And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We're going to love it.
Oh, yes! I'm sorry.
You don't want the extra space?
I think we realized that space isn't everything. The house you showed was amazing. It's a little hard still for me to give up that rec center, but I think that this is just, it fits our needs.
This place is amazing. How could you pass it up?
I agree.
I feel like this was teamwork.